Welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Facebook stories could not load, please try again problem on your Facebook app. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error could not load, please try again, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just once you have to enable and disable your flight mode and disable it again and check whether it is working properly or not, because due to some poor internet connectivity issue you can face this type of problems. After doing this still you are facing the issue, then you have to just long press on your Facebook app, just tap on this I button, click on storage and cache and tap on clear cache and go back. Open the Play Store, then search for Facebook. If your Facebook app is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, check. After doing this, hope your issue will be resolved. After doing all these steps, still you are facing the issue, then you can try this final method. Open your Facebook app, tap on these three horizontal lines in top right side corner. You can see here your profile icon, tap on that, scroll down, here you will find help and support, tap on this and tap on this report a problem, then tap on OK, then tap on include and continue. Here you need to select story, you can see here stories, tap on this, then you have to enter the description, and if you have any screenshot available, just upload the screenshot from here, then tap on send button. After that you have to wait minimum 24 to 48 hours. After that, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix stories could not load problem on your Facebook. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.